Wait a minute, what the heck is going on? This is not an unusual ore. That is a rare ore. What the heck just happened? Let's just... Yeah! What the heck just happened here? What? 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 Anyway, guys. Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. I was trying to refine another ore because I got this rare ore, and it was like 2 hours to a couple of minutes past 2 hours, so I just used gems to refine it. Then I started refining this one, and I was shocked to see that it only needs 3 hours to refine, and I'm like, why is it an unusual ore? It's weird. Anyway, guys, this is Super Boss number 11, Alolan Raichu. Let's get into it. It's a brand new day. I didn't go to my class earlier to do yoga because I'm injured. And I made a mistake. But it's okay. Let's check it out if the unusual ore has turned into a real unusual ore and not a rare ore. Weird. Weird. Has something like that happened in your game? Wait. Clear only with Pokemon you caught in the sea. Oh, I made a mistake, guys. I'm sorry. Let's do it again. It's a Latios. But someone will speak first. And with that said... Hey there, it's Callie from the Adventurers Club. Thanks so much for your help with the research at Butterfree Sea. SPL Gum, due to the efforts of you and your fellow adventurers, our basic research into Butterfree Sea has reached the final act. All that's left is our inquiry into the strand of Latios, but it's been tough going. I can't wait to hear that you've beaten it. Let's go. Oh, frick. Sorry, guys. Mistake again. Let's go back. Checking our ore. Our unusual ore is still a rare ore. It's really weird. But let's switch to Pokemon we've caught from this island. Let's switch to a strong CP Pokemon. Not really strong, but stronger CP Pokemon. Bug Buzz, just give him a Snappy or something. And a Mimikyu, because that's his weakness. Mimikyu, Shadow Sneak Gear. Actually, if it's a Psychic type, should be weak to Bug as well. So, gonna give him a First Impression Gear instead. Where the heck is my First Impression Gear? Not this one. The other one. Where the heck is my First Impression? Summon Power. Oh, there it is. I am blind. Switch. And... No. Why did I choose Latios? Back. Here we go. Alolan Raichu, let's beat you up. Again. One hit KO, guys. Which is weird because my Pokemon earlier was stronger and I didn't kill him in one hit. Probably it's a super rare Summon Gear's power. Anyway, moving on. This is Latios. And this is Super Boss number 12. Let's do the same thing, killing Latios as fast as possible. Let's just dash behind him. Use a First Impression Summon Gear. And apparently that wasn't enough. And he's dead. He is dead. Yes, SPL Gum, I knew you'd be able to take down Latios. And that wraps up our basic research at Butterfree. See, I almost said Butterfree again. Thanks! 3 stars, everyone. Let's move on. This video is for Super Bosses 11 to 15. Let's do it as fast as we can. Roselia is up next, weak to bug type. Because it's grass. Is Roselia poison type as well? We'll know. We're almost done with our research at Butterfree. See, not really. We're not even halfway. But we've just heard some curious news. It seems that even stronger Pokemon have started showing up. Can I ask you to check it out? Oh, it's not weak to bug type because of the poison typing. Damn. So we're just going to switch to Psychic instead. Just realized that I haven't converted my second Psychic gear into, you know, normally I sell my second and just upgrade my first. That said, let's begin. Roselia Thorn Pokemon. Goodbye. Still alive. You won't last long. Bye-bye. That was Super Boss number 13, Roselia. Three stars. Complete. Moving on, I hope my video doesn't get cut off again. Charizard. Charizard Fire. Flying. Weak to rock. Weak to rock, weak to water, weak to... Let's just use a... I want to use this water pulse thing, but it's not exactly that good. How many water type summon gears do I have? But let's just use this head smash gear. Head smash, if I'm not mistaken, needs 6 Pokemon to charge up. Correct? Flinching you. I'll just use normal attacks for you. Normal attacks. Yeah, burn me up. Sure. And that's it. That was over. Guys, really, why did the unusual ore become a rare ore? It's weird. I'm tempted to refine it right away. Maybe that's a sign of something good. Let's refine it after Super Boss number 15, guys. It's a bug type. Flying type. Weak to head smash once again. Masquerain. Killing you in one line. Just normal attacks will do. Boom, 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 boom. Masquerain is dead. And that was Super Boss number 15. Let's quickly refine this weird, rare, unusual ore. Should be a super rare. Because how many ores of that type do you get anyway? That's it. That's it. That's it. Before Super Boss number 16 on the next video, let's refine this weird ore. Using 85 diamonds to refine this weird, unusual, rare ore. Hopefully we get a super rare? Question mark. Damn you! I didn't even get one summon gear. How dare you? How dare you? Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you with Super Boss number 16 in the next video.